Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul. I haven't done one of these on my channel in a while, mostly because I honestly haven't been doing large grocery hauls. I've kind of been doing smaller ones. So yeah, I don't know. I find that I enjoy larger ones though better. So let's get into it. I got all of this at Tom Thumb. I spent $216. Some things we already have, so this is mostly like produce and things like that, but let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, starting with meats and protein and such, I grabbed this Jennie-O ground turkey breast. This is 99% lean, 1% fat. I also grabbed just a regular 93.7. I like these for pastas. I like these for zucchini boats. I make those a lot. I just really like ground turkey. I feel like it's a super quick and easy meat to cook, defrost super fast. So I love it. It's super lean. Yeah. And I like to season it really well, like almost like an Italian sausage would be. So it has a lot of flavor because it kind of can be pretty bland. I loved this turkey last time I picked it up. It's the uncured turkey bacon. It's got 6 grams of protein and 45 calories per slice. I love this. I've also been using these a bunch. I love these. These are the Jimmy Dean's turkey sausages as well. Just lower fat and higher protein overall. Okay, got some eggs. We already have 1 case of eggs in the fridge, so I just grabbed 1 more to have it. And then some chicken breast. We have chicken thighs, we have drumsticks, we have everything like that in the freezer still, so I just grabbed this to add to the mix. I grabbed a bunch of different lunch meats. I love having these for quick lunches, just a quick and easy snack. I grabbed the honey ham mostly for Arlo because he really likes ham and hasn't had it in a minute. I grabbed the chicken breast buffalo style and then just some roasted turkey. Yeah, I eat that plain. I don't typically buy like pre-packaged out veggies like this when I go to Tom Thumb. I do at Trader Joe's because it's all they have, but this was buy one get one free, so it ended up being a better deal, so I just picked it up. 2 things of broccolini and 2 things of asparagus. Haven't had asparagus in a hot minute. I grabbed a bunch of zucchinis, mostly because they're very, very small. I typically like a larger zucchini. These are those baby ones, but they're local, so that's fine. I want to grate some of those up to kind of make a hash for my breakfast with some potato mixed in, just to kind of add more volume. I'm really trying to eat more food, more fruits and vegetables in my meals to give me more of like that satiated feeling of like volume eating essentially. So trying to get more veggies in. Also grabbed a spaghetti squash. I like using this obviously with pasta, not necessarily as a replacement of pasta, but like half pasta, half spaghetti squash. So again, you can eat more without feeling like you're not eating more. I don't know. I'm one of those people who eats my eyes first. I have to see a huge portion. So I love a spaghetti squash. I just roast that in the oven and then kind of shred it up. I grabbed bell peppers. Oh, these are actually from my fridge. So I have 6 red bell peppers. I chop these up and eat them plain, eat them with hummus as a snack throughout the day. They're just one of my favorite vegetables to snack on throughout the day, so I grabbed those. I grabbed some baby kale. Typically I like shredded kale, but I haven't been loving the shredded kale that I get from Tom Thumb. I prefer it from Trader Joe's, but I already have some shredded kale in the fridge, so I just grabbed 2 of these. I think they were like 3 for $10, but I only grabbed 2 because I only had 2. But for this entire like container, which I wouldn't eat an entire container, is only 90 calories. So it's just a good way to bulk up your salads and meals. I would throw rice, sweet potato in with it. I've been enjoying kale salads for lunch a lot because I get to eat huge salads. Some sweet potatoes, I love to shred these up as well to make a hash in the morning, but I also love them roasted in the air fryer with a little bit of olive oil and some seasonings thrown into my kale salad so it doesn't feel like I'm just eating lettuce. I grabbed some tomatoes. These are just scraped tomatoes. I like these for pastas. I like these for my salads, just to snack on. They're really good, and I like this this brand. It's the Lip Smackin', I don't know, Signature Farms, whatever. They are very like salty tomatoes, and I prefer like a salty sweet tomato. Grabbed some bananas, some lemons. Lemons just for juicing, for dressings, things like that. Mushrooms, a great way to also add volume to your pasta. So like to put those in my pasta. These blueberries were buy one, get one free. So I grabbed these. Scott likes them for his smoothies. And Arlo likes them. They smell so good. So they're gonna be really good. I'm excited about that. So that is all for fresh produce and stuff. I feel like I'm talking a mile a minute. Let's move on to some dairy. I haven't tried this in like forever. My mom used to really like this, honestly, as a kid, but it's the Brummel and Brown's yogurt butter situation. I don't know. I just figured I'd try it and see if I like the taste of it. I like the Earth Balance. They were out, but I like a spreadable butter. So I decided to try it. We'll see what I think about it. No idea. No particular reason. I just, like I said, like a spreadable butter. This is the Greek non-fat yogurt for Scott. He likes this for his smoothies. I love these Oikos protein yogurts. These are the pro ones with 20 grams of protein. The peach flavor is amazing. I like eating these as a dessert or with my yogurt in the morning, super good. I make a ton of tuna at home, like buffalo style tuna, and instead of using mayo, I use Greek yogurt. This is the Oikos Pro 25 grams of protein yogurt, so grab that. And then also this one, which is the 000, this is 17 grams of protein. It's vanilla style. I thought, again, would be really good with oatmeal. I grabbed some pickles. Clausens are my favorite. I like these with lunch and whatnot. If I have like a turkey sort of platter, I like to have pickles. I absolutely love pickles. I grabbed some cheddar cheese for grilled cheeses for Arlo, as well as maybe wraps and sandwiches for myself. I grabbed some goat cheese. I like this in my salads. I feel like it adds some creaminess and a tanginess to it that I miss sometimes. So like adding that to my salads. I pretty much eat a cheese stick every single day for a snack. So these are just the low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese sticks. I got a giant pack because, like I said, I go through them. Yes, I grabbed some old fashioned oats. These, obviously oatmeal. Scott also grinds them up and puts them in his smoothie for like more, obviously more carbs into his smoothie. But yeah, you can't go wrong with oatmeal. And I just get the big giant thing of it because we go through it and it lasts in the pantry for a while. I grabbed some protein spaghetti. If you've not tried this, you guys, honestly, it tastes exactly like the regular spaghetti. I grabbed angel hair as well as spaghetti. It's just, again, I say it a million times, a nice way to add more protein in your diet. Protein just helps you stay fuller longer. So I will take some of this, mix it with spaghetti squash, so I'm not getting rid of the pasta, I'm just adding more to it. Makes sense? Instead of like taking away a serving of pasta, I'm adding more, asking what I can add to it. Anywho, nonetheless. I grabbed some tomato sauce. This is just the Barilla Traditional. It's very like low in terms of ingredients, just basic. I really should make my own. I just am not there yet, but nonetheless, grabbed that. I grabbed a couple of canned things, so some corn for Arlo. This is no salt added. He really likes beets, so I grabbed some sliced beets and some little baby lima beans for him. Canned produce just works really good for him because it's softer. He really enjoys it, and yeah, it's easy. And then I've never tried canned lentils, but I wanted to try them because I made lentils in the past and it was just kind of a nightmare and I didn't eat them all. So I thought this would be a good way to add some fiber and stuff into my salads. So, and some like heartiness instead of beans, lentils. Okay, also just some couple of little like pantry items. These ZZ's strawberry crisp soft baked bars. Arlo's been loving these, so I grabbed another thing of these. Yeah, he likes them. They're really good. I grabbed these to try out with my tuna this week. These are the almond nut thins. I don't know. They just have, they're made with almonds. I really have no idea, and rice flour. But I do really like a super crispy, crunchy cracker, so I thought those would be fun to try. For frozen things, I grabbed a bag of shrimp, just to have. No real plans to make it this week, but love shrimp. some edamame. Arlo's been loving to eat edamame, so I grabbed this frozen bag of edamame. It's also really good to throw in salads or like poke bowls with salmon. Lima beans, again, I will eat this entire bag with just a little bit of butter on it, salt and pepper. I love lima beans. I grabbed some cauliflower rice. I still eat rice like normal, but I like to mix some cauliflower into my actual rice, which I freeze. I do little frozen packages. I make like a giant thing of rice at the beginning of the week, and then I portion out things. So I will take this whole thing and then I'll mix some cauliflower in with it. So yeah, because I'm not one of those people who thinks cauliflower rice is just as good as regular rice. I want both, and I love cauliflower, so I grabbed that guy, and it's a giant bag, so I'm gonna kind of portion it out. Arlo loved the mini corn dogs that I got him a little while ago, so I grabbed another thing of those. It's just a quick, easy dinner when your toddler is just refusing to eat anything. So grab that, and then last but not least, some waters. Some LaCroix tangerine are my faves. I also grabbed some Yazoo bars. They're in the freezer already. These are like some of my favorites. They're mashed anyways, but these are the sea salt caramel chocolate crunch. So good, you guys. If you've not tried Yazoo bars, try them. They're just so good. Like, you literally don't feel like they're 150 calories, but they are. So they're delicious. And that is everything that I just picked up from Tom Thumb. Like I said, again, this was $200. This will last us a little over a week, probably a week and a half. I might have to pick up some other things along the way, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like seeing grocery hauls, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. It helps me know that you want to see more like this, and if there's any other sort of food meal ideas that you want me to do. I love making what I eat in a day, so I plan to make one of those coming up soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.